So it's March 17th, and the first new baby of the season has been born.
Needs to be licking it off and she ain't done it.
What is it?
Bull.
Oh boy. Here's the multi-man. It's okay, Mama. It's okay. He's getting a multi-man shot. Oh. She's a heifer. First baby.
Now it's a cow.
Well, she's a cow now, but gonna put iodine and alcohol on his umbilical cord to
I can never get that far.
try to help prevent any bacteria that might get in there. It's all right, Mama. You're doing a good job. Here come the ducks. Up. She's flailing her head, honey, a little bit. Good job, Mama. Good job. I'll bring you some cake later. Did it come out?
Yeah. Need a tag.
Okay. And this is just to promote eating. So he'll get up and start eating. And I'm gonna get a tag. And then we're gonna document.
Paper towel, please.
Yes. Well, there's a bunch there together.
Oh, there's one over to the side.
Get a tag. He's gonna be 103. How do these go on? What's the back? Where's the backs?
You didn't bring them?
Of course, it had to be cold. It's like 37 degrees today. Oh, welcome to the farm, 103. Welcome to the farm, little man. My favorite part. Good job, Mama.
That's the one we thought would go first.
Mm-hmm. She's the one whose bag's been... Hi.
Yep.
So, baby number 2 on March 17th. This white cow. She had a black baby right here beside her. This is not her first calf, but he's up. Hi, sweetie. I don't know if it's a he, but we'll find out. Oh, I love calving season. Look at that. Nothing like new life. Well, Chris is gonna feed hay, and then we're gonna get him tagged, or her, it, and take care of its umbilical cord. And I don't think it needs the mouth spray. It looks like it's gonna be nursing just fine. She's not a new mama. So this little one, Chris estimating, was born last night. He's right in here, he or she, right in here amongst the herd while they're eating. So we gotta catch it, tag it, give it its shot, and spray its umbilical cord without getting trampled. And my job's always to hold Mama off, which she looks like she's really being aggressive. You're okay, Mama. It's all right. It's okay. It's all right. It's all right. It's okay. It's okay, Mama. He's just getting his tag and his shot.
That's a strong one.
It's okay. Can you see it to give it one?
18th century.
No, it's a new one. We'll have to change it out. Oh, Mama, it's okay. It's all right. Whoa. You want that?
No, it's already been up eaten.
Yeah.
Strong as a billy goat.
It's okay, Mama. You're doing a good job. Good Mama. Good Mama. Yes, you are.
Can't see the button.
Here, look. Uh-oh. Got it?
Yeah.
You wore him out, honey. Worn out. Look, is it a bull or a heifer?
I don't know. I never got that far. Heifer.
Heifer calf.
One white dot.
Well, she didn't take after her mommy, did she? And Daddy's red. Oh, look. Good Mama. What's Mom's number? 39?
Yeah.
Okay. We're giving her a little bit of sweet feed. We gave them some cake to keep them away. We just want to make sure he eats. She's a new mama.
Keep that thing off. Keep them off of it while I go get
Okay.
I ain't taking no chance.
She doesn't understand. Like, that feels weird to her, but he's trying to nurse.
Getting any?
I think he had a hold of one, but she kind of pushed him off. So we just want him to have some colostrum. It's okay, Mama. It's okay.
Oh, the endless udder.
He's hungry.
The endless udder.
Oh. He's like, oh yeah, that's good. Look at the ducks. You gotta let him eat, Mama. He's gotta eat.
This way he'll get what he needs and he'll build strength, and then she can't fight him off.
And she's taking really good care of him. She's a new mama, and it just feels weird to her. But he's so pretty. Is he getting it?
Yeah, but the bottle's...
Collapsing?
Yeah.
You got the bigger nipple. Or no, you didn't. You got the right one.
There we go.
Gotta get them some feed now. Oh, Mama. did such a good job. Yes, you did. A little bit. You better get back. She's cleaning him in the butt.
I guess you explained I got colostrum
Mhm.
instead of milk.
Yes, it's colostrum, and I explained why. And how important it is. A little bit's like, what do you got? Can I have some? Uh-oh. You get back a little bit. You can't have that. He's only, what, an hour old, hour and a half? He's beautiful. Come on, girls, now leave him alone. I know, everybody's curious.
You didn't have no trouble sucking it down.
Mm-mm.
A little bit.
A little bit. Back. Back, girls. This will be you all one day. You all gonna have a baby next year. You'll have your babies next year when you get bigger.
We'll do some, get him up.
Yeah. Everybody's curious.
Yeah.
Whoa, buddy. You want me to hold the bottle up while you hold him? Got a milk mustache. You getting full?
I won't even take it all.
Getting full? That little belly getting full? Yeah. She cleaned him up good.
Uh-huh. You just don't understand the sucking part yet.
Mm-mm. Feels weird to her.
Then my belly's full.
Say, woo. What? What? It's a baby. It's a baby. I know you want my bucket. You could care less about the baby. He's like, wow.
Ears bleeding.
From the tag.
Yeah, I didn't think I'd hit a...
Well, you had to pierce him twice. Remember?
It's clotting. Here, you need the bottle, you the baby.
She's gonna take it. Look at her.
You're baby.
Little bit. You're a mess.
Everybody's got a meet and greet.
What's
Look, meet and greet at the daycare.
Oh, meet and greet. Everybody's curious about the baby. I wish I could have seen him on when he was born. They were
I
like,
was down here, they didn't even care. They didn't even know what was going on. All
she
right.
hasn't passed her afterbirth
fine.
yet. He's curious about everybody else. Look, she's very protective. She's doing a great job. She's warning them. You
We'll
can
look for her
see him.
afterbirth tomorrow.
You can see him, but don't touch him, she says.